Yeah, so I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord, and today I'm here to talk about crypto arbitrage or P2P arbitrage on only Bybit. So, this past few days, some people have been asking this question that can you do arbitrage on one or single exchange platform? And always I reply them yes, but they don't know how to do it. Yeah. So let's say if you're using Bybit or Binance, but today my focus is on the Bybit, and this video is for only the Nigerian people. But if you're Ghana too, you can also watch it. Yeah, because I'll be using Naira to do it. Yeah, Naira. I'll be using Naira to do it. Yeah, that's why I'm saying that it's for the Nigerian people. But if you want to watch it to acquire more knowledge too, that's not bad. Yeah. So today we are here to talk about P2P arbitrage on Bybit. So before you initiate a trade or a P2P arbitrage on Bybit, these are the things that you have to look at before you will do it. So first of all, you have to know how to buy and sell. How to buy and sell on Bybit. Buy and sell on Bybit. Sell on Bybit. Yeah, so after the boss session, I'll go to my phone screen and I'll show you everything on the phone screen as well. Yeah, but I want you to get the points very clear before we jump straight to the phone screen so that you know what I'm talking about or what I'm doing. Yeah, the reason why I'm saying that you have to know how to buy and sell is that the P2P, if you can do the P2P, it's person to person. You have to know when to buy and when to sell. When to buy and when to sell. So if you know this thing, then it means that you are good to go. And the second point is what? Your bank account. So first of all, I'll urge you to go in for this bank account if you want to make money with this P2P strategy I'm about to teach you. OP, Ecobank, Union Bank. So these are the three banks that I'll urge you to go in for if you want to make money with this P2P arbitrage on Bybit. Yeah, and I have my reason there, and I'll tell you everything when I go to my phone screen. Yeah. So if you know how to buy and when to sell and these bank accounts, then you have to know how to do your calculation, because if you are poor in calculation, you will end up losing money. But if you know how to calculate your P&L, your profit and loss, then you are good to go. You know when you can buy and when to sell. Yeah, so you have to know how to calculate your P2N, calculate your P&L. When I say P&L, that means profit and loss. You see that thing? So you have to know how to calculate all these things before you can initiate a trade. Yeah. So I hope I'm making sense right now, right? Yeah. So if you know all these things, then what I'm about to teach you will be easy for you. And this one is for my Nigerian people because I'll be using Naira to do it. Yeah. So no time to waste. Let me go to my phone screen and show you. Yeah. So the reason why, let me brush through again. The reason why I'm saying that buy and sell is that buy, you have to buy it on time and sell it at the right time. If I say that you have to buy it on time, is that let's say if the market price for $1 is 1,700 Naira, then you think that okay, that's the right time, you buy it. So if you want to sell it, you have to know that you're selling it at 1,800, that is or above, that is selling it at the right time. You see that thing. And the reason why I chose OPay, EcoBank, Union, most of these sellers or buyers, they use this platform, and it comes with a very good rate as well. Yeah, and calculates your profits and loss. At times you can buy the coin at some rate, and in the market too, it will not be favorable for you to sell it at that moment. So if you calculate that, okay, if I sell it right now, I'll be losing or winning. You know when to buy and when to sell, and it's not by force that you have to buy it right now and sell it right now. No, you have to know when to sell it, because you can buy it right now, and let's say some days or some minutes or some hours, the profit will be what will be higher than you want to sell it. That's how it is. It's not by force that if you buy it right now, you have to sell it right now. No, your profit is what when it's gained higher. So you have to calculate that. Okay, then if I'm selling it at this price, I'm making a win or lose. So you have to know all these things before you start everything. Yeah. So let me go on my phone screen and let me show you what I'm talking about. Don't forget to subscribe or follow me. I'm Crypto Lord. Join me on my phone screen and let's learn more. Yeah, so welcome to my phone screen. Yeah, so we're about to do the P2P arbitrage on Bybit. So if you don't have Bybit, I have the Bybit link in the description. You can click on it and download Bybit. Yeah. So when you verify everything, this Bybit. So first of all, you go to your P2P trading. Yeah. So when I come to the P2P trading, you see when I'm buying USDT on my P2P account, here is 1,534 Naira. If I want one USDT, I'll spend 1,534 Naira, 1,534.99 Naira. Yeah, and it's bank transfer. Bank transfer. People mistake this. You see, bank transfer means that any bank, and we have some people who have stated that they want EcoBank. So you have to know the difference before you will jump straight to a trade. Yeah, and that's why I said that if you want to be a good crypto arbitrage trader, you have to get a mentor to guide you in certain things. Yeah. So if I'm buying 1,534 from this person right now, we go say 1,534 from this person right now, I'll just click on what? The buy. Or I can go here and say, okay, because I'm not from Ghana, because I'm not from Nigeria, you said they say I have to verify it first, because my account is in Ghana, but I'm using the Naira to do it for you all to get an understanding what here. So I'll buy it using 1,535 to get what 1 Naira. Then after that, I'll come to sell. So if I come to sell, you see that I can sell the USDT for 1,792, but don't be too quick. You have to check their limit first. So this person limit is from 23 million to 23 million Naira. You see, so you have to cut your quote according to your size. So this person is buying your coin for 1,702, but it's using Junior Bank, and I've already told you that some banks that you need and it will help you, that's Union Bank, EcoBank, OP. I told you all these things when I was on the board. Yeah, and this one is buying your coin from 4,500 to 4,600. So if you have some coin, you can sell it to this person too. So imagine buying the coin for 1,500 and selling it for 1,700. You are making 200 Naira as what? As profit on one USDT. I hope you get it. On one USDT. On one USDT. Yeah. So you can see this one too is EcoBank, and it's 22 million. don't go there, because that one is not your quote. Your quote is from 4,000 upwards. You said that, then yeah. So if you see that, okay, this is the opportunity, then you want to make good use of it. So this is how you do your P2P arbitrage. And let me also go straight to this thing. It's not by force that if you buy the coin right now, you have to sell it right now. You can buy the coin at the rate of, let's say, 1,535. Then you can, and you go to the sell market and see that, okay, the price over there is not favorable. You can wait. It's not wrong for you to wait. You can wait for a day, 2 days, 3 days. It's still not wrong. If you think that you are right and the price is not favorable, don't be too quick to sell it, or you end up losing money. Don't be too quick to do that. Just buy it and sell it at the right time. I hope you get it. Buy it and sell it at the right time. Don't be too quick to sell your coin. No, don't be too quick to do that. It's profit business that we are doing. So when you say that, okay, this amount is not favorable to me, don't be too quick to sell anything. And this is how you make your money, and this is how you do your P2P. So if you don't understand anything, you can chat me. I will mentor you and I'll guide you for you to get more understanding. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out.